As evident in the evolution of marketing, the popular view that the only responsibility of a business was to generate profits is being replaced. Now, we know and we demand for businesses to generate profits, but also positively impact the community and take care of our environment. In this video, we are going to discuss why marketers need to think about sustainability and ways in which marketing practices can generate and positively impact our society. With growing world populations and increasing product demand, sustainable practices are important for our life to continue on Earth as we know it. When organizations do not perform with high standards in what they do, the consequences can be damaging for everyone. Environments are polluted, jobs and investments are lost, and companies' reputations are at stake. We start losing confidence in organizations and in general in the business systems. Marketing can help creating that confidence. But marketing action cannot establish long-term relationships if it is shown to be unethical. We discussed in previous videos that relationships are important in marketing. So if companies want to establish long-term relationships with their customers, they need to pay attention to the values and they need to be concerned with ethical decision-making. Luckily, we do find companies that engage in sustainable practices. Can you think of examples? These companies develop their marketing strategies to protect our environment and the future of our communities. Let's take a look at how they do that. First of all, they are targeting green customers who are likely to buy eco-friendly products. Regarding product strategies, they could include environmentally friendly materials, fair trade, or dealing with suppliers who pay a fair price to producers in developing countries. Some companies establish prices for green and organic products that equal the prices of other products. Others tend to favor local products from farms within 50 to 100 miles of their homes. Or they reuse old commercials and tell customers that this is their way of practicing sustainability. Let me ask you something. What are you doing to contribute to a sustainable future? So in this video, we have discussed two related topics: why it is important for firms to think about sustainability and ways in which these companies can develop sustainable practices. Thank you for watching.